In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an audio in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to place your audio, control how and when it plays, and get it to behave exactly the way you want during a presentation. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. Navigate to the slide where you want the sound to play. Then go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Audio. A dialog will open showing files from your drive. Browse to the audio you want, select it, and click. Select to insert it onto the slide. If you don't immediately see your file, make sure it's in your drive and that you have permission to access it. Once it's inserted, you'll see a small speaker icon on your slide. That icon represents your audio. Click and drag it to position it where you like. For example, near a corner so it doesn't overlap important content. You can also drag the corner handles to resize the icon. Resizing only affects how the icon looks on the slide. It won't change the volume or audio quality. Next, customize how the audio behaves. Click the speaker icon to select it, then click Format Options on the toolbar. A panel will open on the right. Expand the section called Audio Playback to access all your controls. Choose when you want the audio to start. On-click means it plays only after you click the icon during your presentation. Automatically means it starts as soon as you land on the slide, which is great for background music or ambient sound. Adjust the volume slider to set how loud the track should be during the presentation. If you're planning to speak over the audio, consider lowering it so your voice stays clear. You can always fine-tune this and test it in present mode. If you want continuous background music, turn on loop audio. With looping enabled, the track will repeat automatically, which can help maintain a consistent atmosphere on a slide that stays up for a while. You can also choose to hide the icon while presenting. This is most useful when the audio is set to play automatically, keeping your slide clean and distraction-free. If you need to trigger audio manually, leave the icon visible. Finally, decide whether the audio should stop when you advance to the next slide. Turn this on if the sound is meant only for a single slide. Leave it off if you want the audio to continue across slides. That's it. Your audio is ready to enhance your presentation.